Let's go to question 5. A function f is given by f of x equals 4 times x minus 1 times 7 minus x squared. Find the exact value of each of the zeros of f. Exact value, most likely you have to work out this problem by hand. So we have 4 times x minus 1 times 7 minus x squared equals 0. This 4, definitely we cannot make it equal 0. So we have x minus 1 equals 0 or 7 minus x squared equals 0. x1 equals 1. This is a power equation. Isolate the variable on one side. So we have 7 equals x squared. Then we square root both sides. We will get plus or minus square root of 7 equals x. So the solutions will be x1 equals 1, x2 equals square root of 7, x3 equals negative square root of 7. 1b, expand the expression for f of x. We have 4 times x minus 1, then times 7 minus x squared. We will do distributive property first. This 4 multiplied by x minus 1, 4x minus 4. Then we will do the FOIL. 4x times 7, 28x. 4x times negative x squared, negative 4x to the third power. Negative 4 times 7, negative 28. Negative 4 times negative x squared, positive 4x squared. Then we organize negative 4x third power plus 4x squared plus 28x minus 28. Let's go to 1c. Consider g of x equals 4 times x minus 1 times 7 minus x squared plus 1 over x. Sketch the graph of g for x greater than or equal to negative 3, less than or equal to 3, and y is greater than or equal to negative 60, less than or equal to 30. Use a scale of 2 centimeters to represent 1 unit on the x-axis and 1 centimeter to represent 10 units on the y-axis. Clearly show the zeros, local minimum, local maximum, and asymptote line of the function. We need to set up this coordinate plane first. 0, x-axis and y-axis. This will be 1, 2, 3, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. This is 10, 20, 30, negative 10, negative 20, negative 30, negative 40, negative 50, and negative 60. Then we know the x as a denominator, so the vertical asymptote line will be x equals 0. We will draw this asymptote line. Then go to calculator, put the function into this y1. Go to window. The scale for x-axis is 0.5. For y-axis, this will be negative 60. This is 30. Scale is 10. Then we graph. We know the y-axis is asymptote line. We have a minimum value, maximum value, minimum value, maximum value, and 3 zeros. Let's figure out a 0 first. Remember, the scale is 0.5, so -1, -2, -3. Left bound is -3. This will be -2. Right bound, let's do -2. Then enter. You will get the -2.65. Go to another 0. This one, this is a 0.5. Then move. Enter, enter. Answer will be 0.957. Then go to this one. This is a 2. Then this is a 3. So I use a 2.9. Enter. Then enter. We get this 0 will be 2.66. Let's go to maximum and a minimum. So this is a minimum. Second trace. Minimum. This is a -1, -2. So let's put the -2 as a left bound. Right bound, we can use a -0.5. Enter, enter. The coordinate for minimum value is -1.21, -49.8. Then go to this maximum. Second trace, 4. Maximum, this is a 1. So let's use 1 as left bound. Right bound will be, this is a 2.5. Then enter. The coordinate will be 1.89, 12.7. I want to see what's going on over here, so I need to change the window. Let's use a -1 and a 1. Then graph. So here we found another 0. We need to figure out this 0. Second trace, 2. Let's use 0.001. Then enter. Then move to the right bound. Enter. Enter. We get 0.0371 as the x-intercept. Then we can figure out this maximum and minimum. So second trace, go to 3. Minimum, let's do 0.01. Enter. Then move. Enter. Then enter. The minimum value will be 0.185 or -17.3. Now let's figure out this maximum. Second trace, 4. Left bound, let's use this -0.5. Enter. Then move. Enter. Enter. Answer will be -0.196, -38.4. So we put all zeros and minimum, maximum values, vertical asymptote line. Then plot these points, connect the points, then we will get the graph for this g of x.